Hi guys, welcome to 254 Rent. My name is Faith Rotich and today I take you to Kikuyu at this beautiful two-bedroomed house located just a few meters off the main highway in this quiet, serene place. Check it out. This is the kitchen, and an amazing thing about this house is water and garbage collection is absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about those utilities. And that was it. Nice house, right? What's even better? It's rent, which is just 15,000 Kenya shillings per month, with a similar deposit which you can pay in installments when moving in case you don't have it all initially. If you're interested in this house, click on the link provided in the description box and it will take you to our website where you can view all the house details you need. Anyways, that's it from me. My name is Faith Rotich and you can link up with me on my Instagram at rotichkurgat. And thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.
Drink, 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 drink and drink, drink, drink.